Welcome to Caddy Station. Today we are going to start our drawing by in which we are going to draw a glass. It is quite simple. Basically, we are commonly used to convert our 2D sketch into 3D by means of extrude ball space, which we done by this extrude ball space or using this table. But today we are going to use surface command. So here are many options for using surface. Let's start from basics. Go to front plane, sketch, and now first of all I select line from origin, horizontal line, and then a vertical line by some angle, escape, and now smart dimension. I'm going to mention its dimension as 1 inches. My unit system is IPS, and this height is, let's suppose, 5 inches. Or you can do, okay, make it 4 inches. 5 is little bit large. And then line command for construction, make a line here, okay, and chain, and second line from origin to y-axis, okay. Select both and make them vertical, okay. Now next is again go to smart dimension, select this tapered line and then this vertical line and make a angle. Yeah, you can make an angle here, make as take it as 20 degrees. That's it. 20 degrees, little bit more. 15 degree is okay. Okay, next is close it, lit, and with this corner 0.1 inches. Okay, now check skip. Okay, it's okay. Now for surface we are going to use surface. Go to surface, and here we are going to use a revolved surface. For revolving surface we need an axis of revolution, which is this. And then okay, now you can see it's done. Control 8 or control 7 for isometric view. Now you can see it's done, but if you zoom in, it's very sharp. That means its thickness is very low. For to increase its thickness, we are going to use thicken command. Go to thicken and thickness parameter. Select this surface and mention some dimension. 0.1 inches. The 0.1 inch will become I think more thick. I'm going to reduce it by 0.05. Okay, 0.03. Let's check 0.03. Okay, it's good. It's look good. Now next, if you want to make this sharp edge as flit, go to flit, select this space. 0.1 inch is the radius, but you can 0.05 or 0.01 to check its. Okay, it's look good. Is 0.02. Yeah, it's good. Look, it's become circular. Okay, now uh, our glass is ready. You can change its view, perspective view, and you can change color or you can use some appearance. Go to appearance, and I'm going to make it black. It's not look good. I'm just checking. Okay, it's look good.